Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to use the insert key on HONOR MagicBook. The insert key is on your keyboard, so let me show you that. In my case I have the German layout, so it has a different name, but usually it says insert on most of the keyboard layouts. And in order to use that key, first you need to make sure that the FN key isn't lighting up. As you click on it, you can light it up or turn it off. When it's off, then you should be able to use the insert key. And I'm gonna show you also how it works in the system and what it does. So let's go to, for example, a notepad. And now, for example, I'm gonna delete that and type in something like name and a few dots. And if I don't press on the insert key, let's see if it's not pressed, okay. If I don't press on the insert key and position my cursor at the beginning of these dots, then you can see the dots are shifting. But if I instead, before typing it in, click on insert, then the text type that I'm typing is replacing the dots. I can now disable the insert and before the name type in surname, and for example if I position the cursor at the beginning now and click on insert, I can change it to age, and you can see that it replaces the sir with age. And now I can just click on delete key to delete the name. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.